Hi there, hi everyone, welcome back, guys. With the second puzzle, yes, the second puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday, September the 7th, 2022. We have here 7 puzzles. I've told you I will not solve them all. Only half of them I will solve, and the first I already solved is the 3 stars Sudoku. So 3 puzzles are left. The 4 stars Sudoku, the tectonic with 4 stars, and the binary. It's time now for the 4 stars Sudoku. Yes, the 4 stars. Is this really 4 stars? I do not know. We will see, but this will be number 5139. 5139. Before start, I always count the print, the digits. This one less than the previous Sudoku. 24 printed digits is a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But for 4 stars Sudoku, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. We'll see if this is really a 4 stars. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s. We have here 3 2s. 4 3s. Alright. 4 4s. Alright. 1 5. 3 6s. 1 7. 3 8s and 2 9. So the 3s and the 4s are a majority. Let me start with the 3 then. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in the second row, so no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3, 3, okay. 3 in the last column, 3 in that column, so the column between, the only 2 places left for 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3, 3, okay. 3, 3. Cannot continue with the 3 now. Need to wait. How about the 4? 4. Well, 4 in the first row. 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the last column. So no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4, 4. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Cannot continue with the 4 now. Need to wait. How about the 9 in this row? The 9 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 4, 4. Now I can continue with the 4. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the middle column. So no 4 in these 2 boxes. Here 4 in this row. No 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here. Could be there. We have a 4 in this. Oh wait. We have a 4 in this row. 4 in one of those 2 boxes. In the row below. So last row. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 it should be and there. Alright. 4, 4, 4. 4, 4. Cannot continue with the 4 now. We have a 1 in this column. The 1 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row. Second row, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. We have a 2 in this first row, the 2 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for 2 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the last column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. Here 9 in the first row, so no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. The 9 in this column. The 9 in the last column. So the column between. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 6, 6, 6, 6, yeah. Three missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers. Oh wait, those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8. And look, we have a 6 and 8 in this row. So no 6 and 8 in this box. The 6 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. So one digit left in this big square should be for the number 7. So we have a pair now, 6 and 8 in the first row, 6 and 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only two places left for the 6 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in the second column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. Okay. One digit left in the first row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Okay. Then 1, 5, 9. Okay, we have a 2 in this column. We have a 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. We have a 4 in this column. Oh, wait. Cannot continue with the 4 now. Need to wait. Yeah. Need to wait. Yeah. I need to wait. 6. Yeah. 2. Yeah, I'm thinking. We have a pair. Look. We have a 4 and an 8 in this column. We have a 4 and 8 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 3 places left for the 4 and 8 goes in these 3 boxes. 4 and 8, 4 and 8, 4 and 8. But we have also a 4 and 8 in the middle row. So no 4 and 8 in this box. The 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. So what are these missing numbers in this column? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in the middle row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright. So 2 missing numbers now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. Let me mark those. Put 2 boxes. How about these 2 missing numbers in this big square? 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and the 3, 1 and the 3 cannot fill this yet. Alright. Okay. Now 5, 7, 1. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in this row. No 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. The 1 in this column. The 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, middle row. So no 1 there. 1 should be there. Okay, 6, 9. And a 7. Here we have 2 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 7. Yeah. 97597. Yeah. I'm thinking. 4. Here should be also the 4. 9. We have here the 9. The 9 in this column. The 9 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 9. I need a 6 6, and the 7 could be everywhere. Well, cannot continue with the 9. 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. How about 5 5 5? Well, we need a 5 in the last column. 6 8. We have a 5 there, so no 5 there. So the 5 should be in one of those two boxes. Do not know in which box, but we have a 5 in one of those two boxes in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in one of those two boxes in this row. So no 5 there, 5 it should be there. 5 5 1 1 1. Yeah, I'm thinking. 2. Yeah, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. We have a 2 in the second column, so no 2 in those 3 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those two boxes in the first column, 2 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row. No 2 there, 2 should be there. 1 2 3 4. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 2. Well, we have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. So the 2 could be here, here, or there in this column. Here, here, or there. We see a 2 in the last row, so no 2 there. Here, 2 in the row above, so no 2 there. So the only place left for 2 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7 8, 7 8. We have 8 in the last row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 6 and 8, we have an 8 now in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the last column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. And the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 7 8. 2 7 8. Well. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing now. Okay. 8 8. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 1 and a 3. We have a 3 in the third column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Cannot fill this yet. A 1 digit left in the third column for number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, we have a 6 now in this row. So no 6 there, 6 should be here. And a 5 goes there. 5 5, okay. Well. 3 3. Yes, 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row be 3 in the middle row. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. Here or there, we have a 3 in the second column. So no 3 there. 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2. So the 2 goes there. Oh, wait. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row be 3 here in the middle row. The only place left for the 2 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in the first column for the numbers, the 1 and the 5 I see here. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. Exactly. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 in this row. So no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. Alright. Then 4, 7, 5, 4, 7. We have a 5 in this row. 5 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. 4 and a 7, we have a 4 in the middle row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 4 and 8, we have a 4 now in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. 7 and the 8 are missing. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 7 in this row. 7 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 and a 5, 7 and 5, we have a 7 now in this middle column, so no 7 there, 7 should be here. And the 5 goes there, 9 and a 5, 9 and 5, we have a 5 in the middle column, so no 5 there, 5 should be here. And the 9 goes there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8, and the 9 is missing, 6 and 9, 6 and 9, we have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there, 6 should be here. And the 9 goes there, finish in 60 minutes, quicker than the previous Sudoku. How could that be? How could that be? I cannot believe this. A 4-star Sudoku. Is this really 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. And then quicker than the previous Sudoku. Yeah. Cannot believe this. Cannot believe this. Wrong indication. Wrong indication. But I like this one. I really like this. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And, I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.